This is Ryan with TrendLizard.com. We're taking a look at ORIG, Ocean Rig, a stock trading on the NASDAQ. I'm not positive if we looked at this one for you before, but it's been on a really wild ride lately, so let's take a look and see what's going on here. It was incepted in 2011. It had a fairly sideways maneuver, even though it went from around 11 up to 20 over the course of the first 4 or 5 years of its life. But then things got really interesting as it is starting in 2014 really fell to pieces. So I'm guessing what you're looking at is what looks to be a big 5-wave decline, and wondering if this is the resumption of, or not even resumption, maybe the very first uptrend on ORIG. So I'm guessing that's kind of what you're after. Let's zoom in and take a little closer look at things here to see if we can figure out what's going on. Here is a closer look at the decline off the 2014 low. It does look like a big 5-wave move. I'm not convinced that it's over yet, even despite today's huge 21% gain on today, October 25th. So the problem here is we would need to see a move all the way up to $2.35 for the first buy signal to be issued on this stock. Obviously, that's a long ways away. So that requires a lot, but we're not really holding our breath either. If we zoom in and look a little bit closer at the advance off the 2016, off of August low, this is kind of what's happened over the past few months. It has not been impressive. This does not look like a start of a much larger up move. This looks like a counter trend move that's probably nearing its end and is getting ready to turn back down. So there's just not really a lot of Elliott wave reasons for us to be interested in owning ORIG at this time. A move below 1 at any point would confirm that it's still in this down move, and that's what we expect to happen. So I wouldn't really own it. Maybe if the strength continues, is able to get above $2.35 and give us some trendy patterns, then it becomes a buying opportunity. In the meantime, I just wouldn't get anywhere close to it, just because there's no really good Elliott wave-based reasons to think that ORIG is getting started in a move that's really going to impress to the upside. So my advice would be to stay away from it at this time. Thanks.